To build the garden of your dreams, you need 8 cubic meters of soil containing 85% silt. You have 2 types of soil you can use to combine to achieve this. Soil with 40% silt and pure silt. How much of each soil should you use? Okay, so this is a system because it's asking us for 2 things, this keyword each. We need 2 things. Now, I know I need a total of 8 cubic meters. So my first equation always talks about the physical amount of a substance I need. My second equation is going to talk about the percent breakdown. So in this case, the silt. So with my physical amount, I'm going to say that P plus S equals 8. And then simply it's going to be pure silt and then just the soil silt. Now, what this also tells us is that we need 85% of that to be silt. So we need 85% of 8. So I'm going to say 0.85 times 8. 85% of 8 is 6.8. Okay, so I know I need 6.8 cubic meters. What I also know is that 40% of it is going to come from the soil, and then I have pure silt. So 1P plus 0.4S, P for pure, equals 6.8. Well, easy peasy. I'm going to multiply my bottom equation times -1, and I'm going to subtract 1P minus 0.4S equals -6.8. My P's will cancel, and I'll be left with 0.6S equals 1.2. I'm going to divide by 0.6, and I'm going to get S equals 2. If S equals 2, P equals 6. And we'll see if this works. So, remember, the S was my 40% and the P was my pure. So 100%, so 1 times 6 plus 0.4 times 2, and that needs to equal 6.8 because 6.8 was the 85%. 1 times 6 is 6, 0.4 times 2 is 0.8, and 6 plus 0.8 does in fact equal 6.8, so I know that I'm correct.